Hi all, good day. Let's see the next topic of solid state, chapter number 1 in 12th chemistry, that is crystal system. Crystal system. By mathematical analysis, it has been proved that only 14 different kinds of space lattice are possible. Okay. बाय मैथमेटिकल एनालिसिस से यहाँ पे प्रूव किया गया है कि देर आर ओनली 14 डिफरेंट स्पेस लैटिस आर पॉसिबल. स्पेस लैटिस 14 different space lattice are possible means what? Let's see. In other words, we can say there are only 14 ways in which similar points can be arranged in 3-dimensional order. Space lattice का मतलब क्या है? That is a 3-dimensional arrangement of points, lattice points, right? That is nothing but what? Space lattice, right? So that there are only 14 ways in which we can arrange these points, lattice points, in a 3-dimensional order. इस वहाँ पे सिर्फ 14 वे है. 14 वे से हम इस लैटिस पॉइंट्स को 3-dimensional ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर सकते हैं. दैट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? 14 डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ स्पेस लैटिस आर पॉसिबल. दिस इज अबाउट द क्रिस्टल सिस्टम. अभी वो जो 14 लैटिसेस है, 14 3-dimensional अरेंजमेंट ऑफ लैटिस पॉइंट्स है, उनको हम दैट इज डिस्क्राइब इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर. उनको हम बोलते हैं ब्रेविस लैटिसेस. उनको हम बोलते हैं ब्रेविस लैटिसेस. दीज 14 लैटिसेस विच डिस्क्राइब्स द स्ट्रक्चर आर कॉल्ड ब्रेविस लैटिसेस. Are called Bravais lattices. These 14 lattices which describe the structure are called Bravais lattices. 14 Bravais lattices are divided into 7 crystal system. अभी ये जो 14 Bravais lattices है, these are divided into 7 crystal systems. The 7 crystal systems associated with 14 Bravais lattices, also called as 14 unit cell. Okay, means this जो 7 crystal systems है, these are associated with these 14 Bravais lattices and these are also known as a 14 unit cell also. 14 unit cell also means ये जो 14 Bravais lattices है उनको हम 14 unit cell भी बोलते हैं इन अ 7 crystal system में. Let's see what are the 7 crystal systems are there in a 14 Bravais lattices. The 7 crystal systems are named as cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedral, monoclinic, triclinic and hexagonal system. There are 7 crystal systems which are named as cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedral, monoclinic, triclinic and hexagonal system. These are 7 crystal systems. Let's see the brief discussions about these 7 crystal systems with their 14 Bravais lattices. ये जो 7 crystal systems है उनके 14 lattices कौन से हैं वो हम देखेंगे. Let's see that. The names of 14 Bravais lattices, उनको हम यूनिट सेल भी बोलते हैं. 14 यूनिट सेल फॉर ईच ऑफ द 7 क्रिस्टल सिस्टम आर शोन बिलो दिस टेबल. इस टेबल में यहाँ पे दिखाया है. लेट्स सी दैट. द फर्स्ट crystal system is cubic. The first crystal system is what? Cubic. The name of the Bravais lattices are simple, primitive, simple cubic, simple cell or primitive cell. The second is body centered cubic cell and face centered cubic cell. This is simple or primitive cubic cell. This is body centered cubic cell, and this is face centered cubic cell. And these are the structure of the simple cubic cell, body centered cubic cell and face centered cubic cell. Because in a simple cubic cell there are only corner atoms are present. In a body centered cubic cell, with these corner atoms at the center of the body, there is a one particles is also there at the center of the body. Then face centered means what? With this 8 corner particles, यहाँ पे ईच फेस के ऊपर, हर एक फेस के ऊपर एक एक पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट होगा. दैट इज अ फेस सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक सेल. तो अब ये जो क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल सिस्टम है जो इक्वेशन ओबे करती है, लेट्स सी द इक्वेशन ऑफ द क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल सिस्टम. अभी यहाँ पे दिस एजेस ऑफ द यूनिट सेल्स आर डिनोटेड बाय ए, बी एंड सी लाइक दिस, and the angle between them is by alpha, beta, and this is gamma, like this. The angle between this axis is alpha, beta and gamma. Means angle between this B and C edges, that is alpha, C and A edges, that is beta, A and B edges, that is gamma. Let's see the equation OB by this cubic crystal system. That is where A equal to B equal to C, means all the sides or all the edges of the unit cell will be same. मतलब means A will be equal to B will be equal to C, and the angles alpha, beta and gamma, that is also equal to 90 degree. That is equal to what? 90 degree. Okay, the example of the simple cubic cell is polonium. The example of this simple cubic cell, that is polonium. Then body centered cubic cell is iron, and the face centered cubic cell is copper. These are the examples of the simple cubic cell: polonium, body centered cubic cell, that is iron, and face centered cubic cell, that is a copper. These are the examples of the Bravais lattices of these cubic crystal systems. You can see the structure of these 3 Bravais lattices, or the 3-dimensional arrangement of the lattice points in this figure. Then second is orthorhombic. The name of the Bravais lattices of the orthorhombic are simple primitive orthorhombic cell, then body centered orthorhombic cell, face centered orthorhombic cell, and base centered orthorhombic cell. These are 4 Bravais lattices of the orthorhombic crystal system. Now this orthorhombic crystal system obeys the following equation. That is, here this A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and the angles alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to this 90 degree. Here you can see these are 3 different structures of this unit cell: simple orthorhombic unit cell, then body centered orthorhombic unit cell, then this is face centered orthorhombic unit cell, and this is base centered orthorhombic unit cell. These are the 4 structure of this Bravais lattices is shown here. अभी सिंपल क्यूबिक ऑर्थोरॉम्बिक यूनिट सेल का एग्जाम्पल कौन सा है? तो दैट इज अ रोम्बिक सल्फर. द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस इज रोम्बिक सल्फर. That is the example of the SCC. SC सिंपल ऑर्थोरॉम्बिक यूनिट सेल का एग्जाम्पल है रोम्बिक सल्फर। देन बेस सेंटर्ड का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? बेस सेंटर का एग्जाम्पल है मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट हेप्टाहाइड्रेट। मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट हेप्टाहाइड्रेट MgSO4 7S2 that is the example of this. MgSO4 7S2O magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate is the example of this base centered orthorhombic cell. Then body centered orthorhombic cell का example है potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate. And the example of face centered orthorhombic unit cell, that is barium sulfate. Barium sulfate. These are the example of this 4 Bravais lattices of the orthorhombic unit cell. Then comes third crystal system, that is a tetragonal. The tetragonal has 2 Bravais lattices, that is simple tetragonal cell, then body centered tetragonal cell. Let's see, this tetragonal system, crystal system, obeys the following equation. Here A equal to B is not equal to this C, and the angle alpha equal to this beta equal to this gamma equal to this 90 degree. The example of simple tetragonal cell is stannic oxide, which is shown in this structure, the structure of simple tetragonal unit cell, that is shown here. The example is stannic oxide. Then body centered unit cell, the example is titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide. This is the structure of body centered tetragonal unit cell. This is about the tetragonal crystal system. Let's see the next crystal system, that is monoclinic. The monoclinic has 2 Bravais lattices, that is simple or primitive monoclinic cell and base centered monoclinic cell. The crystal structures of simple or primitive monoclinic cell is shown here, and the base centered monoclinic cell is shown here. This monoclinic unit cell or crystal systems obeys the following equations, where this A is not equal to B is not equal to C. These edges of the unit cell A, B and C are not equal to with each others, or this here alpha is not equal to this 90 degree, and beta and gamma equal to this 90 degree. You can see here beta and gamma will be in 90 degree, but not the alpha, like this. Alpha is not equal to 90 degree and beta and gamma is in angle 90 degree, that is seen into this monoclinic crystal structure. Let's see the example of now simple monoclinic structure. सिंपल मोनोक्लिनिक सेल का एग्जाम्पल अभी कौन सा है? द एग्जाम्पल इज मोनोक्लिनिक सल्फर. द एग्जाम्पल इज मोनोक्लिनिक सल्फर. Then base बेस सेंटर्ड का एग्जाम्पल, बेस सेंटर्ड मोनोक्लिनिक सेल का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? बेस सेंटर्ड मोनोक्लिनिक सेंटर का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? सेल का बेस सेंटर्ड मोनोक्लिनिक सेल का एग्जाम्पल है सोडियम सल्फेट, दैट इज सोडियम सल्फेट. These are the examples of this simple monoclinic cell, that is monoclinic sulfur, and base centered monoclinic cell, that is sodium sulfate. This is about the monoclinic crystal system. The next is rhombohedral. The next is rhombohedral. This rhombohedral has only one Bravais lattices, that is simple primitive Bravais lattices, a simple primitive rhombohedral crystal system. This rhombohedral obeys the following equation. Here A equal to B equal to C can be seen. Okay, all the edges of this unit cells will be same. This is the structure of rhombohedral crystal structure. Here A will be equal to B will be equal to C. All the edges of this crystal structure are same, means A equal to B equal to C. And the angles are here alpha equal to beta equal to gamma is not equal to this 90 degree. And all these angles will not be equal to this 90 degree. That is about rhombohedral crystal system. The example of now simple rhombohedral cell is sodium nitrate. The example is sodium nitrate. Now next is triclinic. Triclinic crystal system. This triclinic crystal system has only one Bravais lattices, that is simple or primitive triclinic unit cells. The structure of this simple or triclinic unit cell you can see here. Now what it obeys? The equation. The equation it obeys, the triclinic crystal system obeys the following equation, that is here alpha is not equal to B, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. B is not equal to C. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Means all the edges are not equal to each other. And the angles alpha is not equal to this, beta is not equal to this, gamma that is equal to 90 degree. Not equal to this 90 degree. Means alpha, beta and gamma, these angles are also not in a 90 degree. And the edges A, B, C are also not equal to each other. That is in a triclinic crystal systems. Now the example of this triclinic crystal system is example, that is potassium dichromate. The example is potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7. This is a chemical formula of the potassium dichromate. Now last, that is hexagonal crystal system. The hexagonal crystal system has simple or primitive Bravais lattices or simple or primitive unit cells. There is only one Bravais lattices of this hexagonal crystal system. Now this hexagonal crystal system structure you can see into this figure. Now this hexagonal crystal systems obeys the following equations, where this side A equal to this B is not equal to this side C. A equal to B है, but B is not equal to this C. A and B are equals, but C is not equal to all these sides. मतलब यहाँ पे दो साइड्स और दो एजेस कैसे इक्वल है, और थर्ड साइड विल नॉट बी इक्वल, और थर्ड एज विल नॉट बी इक्वल. एंड द एंगल in a hexagonal crystal system where alpha and beta that is equal to 90 degree, and this gamma angle that is equal to 120 degree. Gamma angle that is equal to 120 degree. Now the example of this simple or primitive hexagonal crystal system is zinc oxide and the beryllium oxide. These are the examples of this hexagonal crystal system, zinc oxide and beryllium oxides. This was complete discussions about the 7 crystal systems and its Bravais lattices and the example of Bravais lattices are discussed here, and these crystal systems obeys the which equations that is given here. Thank you.